مرحبا 7th graders. كيف حالكم؟ بخير؟ شكرا because you joined me in listening to today's lesson. Boys and girls, today we are going to talk about the 4 seasons and the weather in Arabic. The 4 seasons and the weather in Arabic. Seasons in Arabic is al-fusul. Al-fusul. And weather in Arabic is al-taqs. Al-taqs. All right? So let's start. Like I mentioned to you a few seconds ago, the seasons in Arabic is al-fusul. One season is fasl. Fasl is a season. Fusul are seasons. So the first one we have here is fasl as-sayf. Fasl as-sayf. Summer, the season of summer. Fasl as-sayf. Fasl is the season. As-sayf is summer. The second season we have here is fasl al-kharif. Fasl al-kharif. It's the fall, the autumn season, the fall. Fasl is season, al-kharif is fall. Fasl al-kharif. Then we have fasl al-shita. Fasl al-shita, winter season. Fasl al-shita. We are still now in Fasl al-Shita. And very soon, in a couple of weeks, we will go to Fasl al-Rabi'. Fasl al-Shita. And here we have Fasl al-Rabi', spring. Fasl al-Rabi', spring season. Fasl al-Rabi'. Now I'm going to show you how you say the weather. First, this is ghaim. Clouds are ghaim. Ghaim. And when you want to say that the weather is cloudy, you say al-taqs ghaim. Al-taqs ghaim. Al-taqs is the weather, ghaim is cloudy. In Arabic, we can also say al-jaw. Al-jaw is the same as al-taqs. Al-taqs ghaim. Al-jaw ghaim. Matar. Matar is rain. Matar. Matar. And here we have al-taqsu matir. The weather is rainy. Al-taqsu matir. We can also say al-taqsu mumtir or al-jaw mumtir. Sunny. Shams. Shams. Shams is the sun. Shams. Al-taqsu mushmis. The weather is sunny. Al-taqsu mushmis. Mushmis. See, boys and girls, the word mushmis comes from shams, which is sun. Al-taqsu mushmis or al-jaw mushmis. Thalj. Thalj. Snow. Thalj, snow. Al-taqsu muthlij. The weather is snowy. Al-taqsu muthlij. Same thing. Muthlij comes from thalj. Al-taqsu muthlij. Dabab. Dabab. Fog. Dabab, fog. Al-taqsu dababi. Al-taqsu dababi. عاصف. Here is a عاصفة, is a storm. Storm is called عاصفة. عاصفة. And the weather for عاصفة is عاصف. الطقس عاصف. الجو عاصف. برد. برد. cold. برد. الطقس بارد. The weather is cold. الطقس بارد. الجو بارد. حر. حر. hot. الطقس حار. الطقس حار. And here we have an activity, boys and girls, that I will also put for you on Google Classroom. First of all, you have the study guide in here. It's telling me it's refusing to connect. Okay, now it's connected. So boys and girls, in Arabic, when you ask, how's the weather today? How's the weather today? We say, كيف الطقس. No, how's the weather is كيف الطقس. So this is your study guide. The weather is either الطقس or الجو. How's the weather is كيف الطقس. And we answer, the weather is الطقس مشمس. الطقس بارد. الطقس مثلج. And when you want to ask how's the weather today, we say كيف الطقس اليوم. كيف الطقس اليوم, because اليوم is today. Alright? الطقس اليوم مشمس. This is here your study guide with everything that we saw before. And the activity, and these are also pictures of the, you know, what we just saw now in the lesson. So let me go back to my lesson here and let me change slides. Let me see if this will go away. All right. So like I said, this is the study guide is in the document. So this is what you have to do in Arabic. Label the seasons and describe the weather. You have 4 pictures. You are going to name the season for each picture and the weather. And I would like for you to put at least 2 or 3 descriptions of the weather. For example, this one is the season of winter. فصل الشتاء. فصل الشتاء. الطقس بارد. الطقس ضبابي. You know? For example, this is spring. فصل الربيع. الطقس جميل. الطقس حار, for example. All right, you will be using the words in the study guide and also in the lesson. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you in class. And shukran because you attended this, you watched this video. Shukran, ma'as salama.